And there you can see the road that has been blocked by the Delhi police. We're talking about the Sansad Marg near the Transport Bhavan that's been entirely closed down as far as that path that they were supposed to take. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, there are barricades that have been put up. A lot of presence of the police there trying to stop the MPs. There's no pushing or any kind of argument that's taking place at the moment. So it's just been stalled as of now. The MP is there standing, and of course the police. Prashant joining us from right outside where this protest march is supposed to be carried out. Prashant, take us through that route that has been blocked by the police. We can see some women trying to get on top of those barricades.
Yes, that's right. As you can see, some of the women MPs, you can see those women MPs shouting slogans, and they are on the barricades. Mahua Moitra, as you can see, other MPs are also there. All the opposition MPs have been stopped over here. As I was telling you, that there is a barricade being put up over here by the Delhi police, and no MP is allowed to go beyond this point. So they have been stopped over here. They are trying to break the barricade and move ahead. As you can see, Suspita Dev, Mahua Moitra and other female MPs, especially women MPs, who are trying to break the barricade and move beyond this point. But as you know, police is not allowing these MPs to go beyond this point. Only MPs whose name have been given to the Election Commission, after some time they will be allowed to proceed from this point onwards. But as you can see, these are dramatic scenes from Parliament Street, just outside the Parliament House building. This is Congress MP from Tamil Nadu in green sari. As you can see, she's also on the barricade and shouting slogans. So this is a sort of a move by the opposition parties to showcase their unity also, and to show their anger against what they call the fraudulent voter list prepared by the Election Commission, and ineligible voters have been included in the electoral roll. So this protest march is turning a little bit violent, so to say, with women MPs especially, and some of the male MPs also. They are trying to break the barricade and move ahead of this point, because they are not allowed from this point. As I've been informed by my sources in the Congress party, there's that 30 MPs indeed, they will proceed from this point onwards, whose name have been given to the Election Commission. But right now, all these MPs have been stopped at this point only. As you can see, there's some more MPs who are trying to, come on the barricade and most of them are TMC MPs. One or two Congress MPs is also seen now. They are on the barricades now and shouting slogans. So this protest march is turning, they are trying to show that on this issue they are not very happy. So we are waiting for those 30 MPs whose name have been given, and they will proceeding from the Rapid Action Force personnel have, has prepared a I'll request my camera person to keep showing those visuals. As you can see, women MPs trying to protest on what they call the Election Commission's. Some of the male MPs are also now, you can see, on the barricades now. So this is turning out to be a protest by the opposition party. Rohitji, I'll request you to come a little closer. Okay. So now we are waiting for these MPs. Other MPs are also shouting slogan. I believe, although I can't see him, I believe Rahul Gandhi is also among these MPs. Another senior leaders of the Congress party and other parties also, because I could see some of the Samajwadi Party MPs wearing their familiar caps in the crowd, in the MPs crowd, and there some of the senior leaders are also I think they are in this crowd. So you can see some of the MPs. Priyanka Gandhi, I can see Priyanka Gandhi over there. She is also amongst those MPs who are protesting, and some of the MPs are on the barricades. They are protesting against Election Commission and what they call the fraudulent. You can see Sagarika Ghosh on the barricade also. So one by one, many of the TMC MPs, they are trying to take the lead, and they are on the barricades to show, because you see, after Bihar, Election Commission has announced that Bengal is the next state where SIR is going to happen, special intensive revision is going to happen. So Trinamool Congress MPs are quite agitated, and they are trying to protest by climbing on the barricade. But I can see Priyanka Gandhi in the crowd, so it is very difficult to report from here because there's a lot of crowd and media personnel are over here. Security has been beefed up. So I'm trying to go a little closer to the area where these MPs are protesting. As you can see, I will try to show you some of the MPs, some of the placards in Bengali also. Trinamool Congress MPs, Sagarika Ghosh, you can see, Mahua Moitra, I could see some of the MPs, women MPs from the Congress party. Priyanka Gandhi is standing in this crowd. So as far as I can see, there are many MPs who are here. They have climbed on the barricades and protesting. So these are the scenes from the Parliament Street, just outside the Parliament House headquarters, Parliament House, the road that leads to the Election Commission. Normally it is open, but today, after these MPs have come so far, these barricades have been put up to stop these MPs from moving further from this point onwards. But I have been given to understand from my Congress sources that 30 people who have been allowed by the Election Commission to meet them, they will eventually be proceeding to meet Election Commission at 12 o'clock because just a while back Jairam Ramesh made his letter public which he wrote to the Election Commission on 10th of August, in which he said that entire opposition MPs wish to meet the Election Commission and submit their memorandum, but the Election Commission, because of paucity of space also over there, the Election Commission cannot meet 300 MPs at one time. So they have allowed the leaders of the respective parties, all the India Bloc parties, to meet Election Commission and submit their memorandum in which their grievances and
चीजों को वो मेमोरेंडम के तौर पर चुनाव आयोग को सौंपना चाहते हैं। चुनाव आयोग को उस पर विचार करना चाहिए, लेकिन इस तरीके से उन्हें रोक दिया गया तो वो अपनी बात चुनाव आयोग नहीं पहुंचा। पीछे पीछे बैठ मीडिया बैठ एमपी बैठ जाइए बैठ जाओ
Well, you can see the Congress MPs and the leaders of the opposition there being stopped by the Delhi police from continuing with their march towards the Election Commission's office. Prashant joining us. Prashant, yes, we do know that 30 of the MPs will be allowed to proceed further, but that meeting, that interaction with the Election Commission was to start at 12 o'clock. It's literally 12 o'clock at the moment.
वो इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने रख के अपनी बात रखना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन ये लोग मेंबर्स को यहीं अरेस्ट करके यहीं रोक के मिलने नहीं दे रहे हैं।
अगर कुछ गलत नहीं हो रहा।
Well, visuals that you can see of the women MPs getting on top of barricades, and of course there you have Mahua Moitra there, as well as Sagarika Ghosh there, and others trying to climb on top of those barricades in order to make their way towards the Election Commission office. They are being barred and not being allowed to proceed. The entire stretch has been blocked. We're talking about that Sansad Marg that has been blocked by the Delhi police with those barricading that you can see. And Rahul Gandhi there standing as well. And 30 of the MPs will be allowed to speak with the Election Commission. This was on the behest of the Congress party. It is Jairam Ramesh who's gone on to say that he wanted the entire MPs of the 300 MPs of the 25 parties to be speaking and presenting the memorandum to the Election Commission, and not just a delegation of 30 MPs there. You can see women, leading the way there in order to make their way to the Election Commission, and this is the resistance that we're seeing that they're facing in regard to that stretch, which is not too long. Prashant joining us from right at the right outside the Parliament is Prashant at that protest march that is trying the opposition leaders there trying to make their way. Prashant, take us through what's really happening here. We can see the women are the ones who are trying to break the barricades.
That's right, and especially the TMC women MPs who have climbed on the barricade, and now they have just come down from the barricade, and they are protesting over here. But I believe that soon there will be some of the members who will proceed to the Election Commission. As I can see, Akhilesh Yadav is here, I believe, who has come out of that protest, and I think he's proceeding. Something happening over there. I can see some of the Samajwadi Party MPs, as you can see, they are protesting by sitting on the road that leads to the Election Commission. धर्मेंद्र जी क्या
वोट रोकते हैं, पुलिस के दम पर वोट पड़वाते हैं। रामपुर बाई इलेक्शन में देखा हम लोगों ने।
As you can see, Akhilesh Yadav is addressing the media. He is sitting on the road and
के चिन्हित कर करके के मुस्लिम कौन सा वोट है, पीडीए वोट कौन सा है, इसको नहीं डालने देना है। ये आखिरकार तैयारी कौन करवाता है? तो अधिकारी मिलकर के लूट करा रहे हैं, डकैती करा रहे हैं, बेईमानी करा रहे हैं।
आप लोग कहां तक जाएंगे?
दोषी अधिकारियों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो, हमारी मांग है।
अखिलेश जी कब तक यहाँ बैठेंगे? अखिलेश जी,
और चुनाव आयोग हमारी बात सुने। जब तक बैठाओगे आप, हमारी बात सुनो।
धर्मेंद्र जी कब तक बैठेंगे?
चुनाव आयोग ने 2 साल नहीं सुना, तो हम लोग तो सुनवाने के लिए आए हैं।
अखिलेश जी कब तक बैठेंगे?
अरे बात तो सुने सरकार और चुनाव आयोग। अब देखिए, बात सुनेंगे, पुलिस लगा दी। अब पुलिस लगा दी तो बात सुनी है उन्होंने। नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। 30 लोगों को उन्होंने बुलाया नहीं, तो 30 लोग हो जाएंगे। हम तो 3-4 हैं, ले चलो।